Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a critical component for your Honda GCV160 engine, the Panari GCV160 Carburetor. If you're looking to upgrade or replace your current carburetor, this might just be the perfect fit. Let's start with what makes the Panari GCV160 Carburetor stand out. Designed to fit various Honda GCV160 engines, including models like the HRB216, HRR216, and more, it promises ease of installation and improved engine performance. What sets this carburetor apart? It's not just a replacement, it's an upgrade. With its all-in-one kit, you get everything you need for a seamless installation. No more hunting down individual parts. The Panari carburetor ensures flawless engine performance, thanks to its factory-tuned setup. This means you get optimal fuel delivery and efficiency right out of the box. Whether you're using it for a Honda lawnmower, pressure washer, or even a generator, this carburetor fits various applications. It's compatible with models like the HRT216 and HRZ216, covering a wide range of Honda equipment. Now, let's talk installation. It's designed for DIY enthusiasts with straightforward instructions. If you're comfortable with basic tools, you can easily swap out your old carburetor for the Panari GCV160 model. To ensure reliability, each Panari carburetor undergoes rigorous testing, including wet flow tests. This guarantees that it performs flawlessly under real-world conditions. While we don't rely solely on customer reviews, it's worth noting that this carburetor has garnered positive feedback for its reliability and improved engine responsiveness. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for a reliable carburetor upgrade for your Honda GCV160 engine, look no further than the Panari GCV160 Carburetor. It combines ease of installation, factory-tuned performance, and broad compatibility, all at an affordable price point. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.